How can I use Homebrew to install both Python 2 and 3 on Mac? I need to be able to switch back and forth between Python 2 and 3. How do I do that using Homebrew, as I don't want to mess with Path and get into trouble? Right now I have 2.7 installed through Homebrew.
I would use pyaf. You can install it. To enable pyaf in your bash shell, you need to run. To do this automatically for bash upon startup, add that line to your ~bash_profile. 1. Usage. Once you have installed pyaf and activated it, you can install different versions of Python and choose which one you can use. Example. You can check the versions you have installed with. And you can switch between Python versions with the command. Also, you can set a Python version for the current directory with. You can check by running Python version. One Homebrew used to instruct you to do this upon installation of pyaf, but the message was removed. For ZSH and other shells, the precise steps may be different.
You can have both versions installed at the same time. For Homebrew >1.5.0. Since 1st of March 2018 the Python formula will be upgraded to Python 3.x, while a new Python at 2 formula will be added for Python 2.7, specifically. See changes announcement here or the final doc about using Homebrew for Python here. For older Homebrew. For Python 2.x. For Python 3.x. Now, you will have both the versions installed in your machine. When you want to use version 2, use the Python executable. When you want to use version 3, use the Python 3 executable.
Currently Homebrew provides 2 different formulas for Python 2 and 3. Brew install Python installs Python 3, and Brew install Python at 2 installs Python 2. More details in Homebrew docs. This URL. If you currently have 2.x installed via Homebrew, Homebrew will give you a message such as: if you run you should be able to do. And to see what versions of Python 2.x and 3.x installed.
Alternatively, you probably can just enter Python 3 to run your most current version of Python 3.x and Python or Python 2 to run the latest installed 2.x version.
There are ways to use both, but the simplest solution today is to use pyaf. Pyaf allows easy switching between versions. Here is what I did to set up. Step 1. Remove all Pythons from your Mac. Remove the following from ~bash_profile. Export break time equals ones, greater than. And also the following from ~bash. Step 2. Install pyaf and the Python versions you need. Step 3. Add pyaf init to bash_profile or bashed. Step 4. Check what got installed. System, set by break time equals ones, greater than 2.73.7.0. Step 5. Choose a default. When a project needs older version, just go its root folder and run.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.